In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a flow diagram in Lucidchart in just 5 minutes. If you're new to Lucidchart or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the entire process step by step. So let's get started and make diagramming easy and efficient. First things first, head over to Lucidchart's website. Once you're there, you'll need to log in. You can find the login button at the top right corner of the web page. After clicking it, you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. If you haven't signed up yet, you can create an account here too. Enter your login details and hit the login button. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Documents page. This is your starting point where you can access all your existing projects and create new ones. Look for the New button. It's generally located on the left side of the page, inviting you to start fresh with a new diagram. Next up, click the Create from Template option. This feature is incredibly useful for creating professional looking charts without having to start from scratch. Lucidchart offers a variety of templates curated for different needs. At this point you might be wondering which template suits your purpose best. Once you've clicked on Create from Template, you'll see a search bar. Go ahead and type flowchart into this bar. This will filter the templates to show only those relevant to flow diagrams. Lucidchart's collection of templates includes both basic and complex options. Choose one that aligns with your intended diagram. If you're looking to keep it simple, you might start with a basic flowchart layout. On the other hand, if your project requires more detail, select a more intricate design. After selecting the template, you'll want to click Use. This action will open the template in the Lucidchart editor, where you can start customizing it to fit your specific needs. Now is your chance to get creative and make this chart your own. In the editor, you can edit the text within each shape, add new shapes to the diagram, connect them with lines, and customize colors and styles to suit your preferences. Don't hesitate to explore the toolbar on the left hand side, which is filled with useful elements and tools designed specifically to enhance your chart creation process. Remember, every element on your canvas can be easily modified by clicking on it. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you can create a flow diagram in Lucidchart efficiently. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment to follow along with each step. Happy charting, and don't hesitate to share your newfound skills with colleagues or friends who might also benefit from creating clear and concise flow diagrams.